Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy on this market dip that we've been seeing for the past few days. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 1%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Gitcoin right here, which is up about 41%. Highest volume, like usual, Bitcoin at around 33 billion volume right there. Ethereum at around 18.9 billion volume. Bitcoin still trading around this $48,000. It's been trading sideways for the past 24 hours, or 48 hours really. Ethereum currently around this 3152 area, down about 1%, pretty much trading sideways as well. And everything else is following the same pattern, trading sideways for the past 24 to 48 hours or so, or even longer. Cardano's down 3%, Binance up 3%, and then everything else, as you can see, 1 or 2% down, with some little outliers, obviously, like Avalanche, which was a little bit overbought for the past few days, and now we see a 14% downtrend. And then we have some other ones with 4.5% down, 4% up. So everything is kind of around the same area. So before we get into this list, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you currently watching right now? And what do you think is going to happen in the crypto space in the near future? Now let's get into it. So Gitcoin right here is GTC. So it's actually up about 40.9% in the past 24 hours from lows of about $8 or so. So here in the past week, 59.54% from lows of $7.50. And then on the 1 month chart, 93%. So this coin is one coin that we've never talked about on the channel and is a momentum play. So this one has a lot of momentum right now, just like Avalanche had for about 7 days or so. In the past 7 days, Avalanche coin would continue to go up higher and higher. Well, now it's this one right here, and Gitcoin is currently, making this massive run, and that's definitely something that we want to, take an opportunity out of and continue this trend on higher. So like we said, 1 month, 93%, but most of these gains have happened here in the past 24 hours or so. 1 year chart, 299%. Here in May when the coin started trading, it was trading at around $3 or so. So this coin has only been around for about 4 months or so, and it's already made 300% gains. Market cap is super, super low, but we're still not, at the all-time highs that we hit here in June at $18 or so. Market cap currently 173.8 million. So this coin could easily do a 10x and it would still be valued at around 2 billion or a little bit less. So 10x opportunity is very, very likely in coins like this that have very, very low market caps, very low volume. 136.5 million volume right there, and 14.2 million GTC coins are out there. So this one, what is it? Well, you guys might be asking. Gitcoin GTC is an Ethereum token that enables community governance of the Gitcoin platform. The platform is designed to fund and coordinate open source development by novel means such as quadratic funding. As of June 2021, Gitcoin has facilitated over 21 million in grants and bounties for open source developers. So these are, just trending momentum plays right now. There's a lot of, just like you see here on the side where it says trending assets, we have Tribe, Quant, Mask Network, Rally, Barnbridge, and SushiSwap. So obviously these are like the most viewed in the past 24 hours on here. But obviously we also have momentum plays such as GTC right here, which has been moving for the past, week or so, or possibly even the month. It's been just on an uptrend, so it's definitely something that we're going to be watching for a continuation on the higher side up, obviously. But it is not a coin that we're going to be holding long term, just something to be in and out of very quickly. It presented an opportunity, and opportunities is definitely something we want to catch on this channel. So that's going to be our first altcoin on this list, GTC. Second altcoin, it's going to be Pancakeswap. So Cake. This one is up about 4.7% in the past 24 hours. A little bit of a pullback here, trading at $25.24. In the past week, it's up about almost 18% from lows of about $20. On the past 1 month chart, 81.3%. So it was at lows here of $13.87, hitting highs here of over $26.59 at one point. So about almost 100% gain in about a month or so. So in about a month, 100% return, which is just insanity, obviously, because those type of gains you don't see very often. Obviously, in the crypto world, those gains are very seen often, but in the regular world, you don't see gains like that. In the past year, Pancakeswap is up about 1,531% from lows of about $1 last September when this one started trading, about a year ago or so. So we see it here at about $1, and then obviously continue to go higher and higher. Beginning of 2021, still trading at around this $1 area in January, and then it continued to go higher. Made a new high here pulled back down, consolidated, made a new support, a new base, I guess you could say, bottom. Then it continued to go even higher and continue all the way to about $44 here in April. And then obviously as the market continued to go down a little bit and continued that crash type situation that we saw in the crypto space, pulled back down all the way to about $12, and then we continue to go around this $10 level, bouncing back and forth, which was a previous resistance here that we see a bottom platform here in March. So that $10 area, exactly the area where we bounced off of around $11 right here, and then boom, continue on up. So from that $11 area last month on July 20th, it's up over 100% since then. So massive gains have been made right there, and there's still so much more room just to get back to the April/May prices that we were trading around in the 40s. So market cap right now on Pancakeswap is around 5.4 billion, and then the volume in the past 24 hours is at 619.4 million, with the circulating supply at around 213.6 million. So Pancakeswap, definitely one of those popular coins that we've been talking about lately on this channel for sure in 2021. Market cap 5.4 billion, still on the lower side. Obviously, Gitcoin, the one we talked about previously, is a lot lower and has more potential for a bigger run. But Pancakeswap is still a low market cap coin. 5 billion market cap, a lot lower compared to Cardano or, Binance, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So definitely one to watch in the near future as well. Our third altcoin is going to be Binance, so BNB. This one is very popular. Obviously, it's one of those bigger coins, the fourth coin on our list. So it's usually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now Cardano has surpassed Binance, and they keep going back and forth, every few days. So Binance and Cardano are fighting for that third spot market cap wise. So right now, BNB is trading right under $500. It actually hit highs here of about $518 on Wednesday. Currently trading at $493. It is up about 2.89%. In the past week, it's about almost 24% from lows of under 400. Now it's about 500. So very nice gains there. In the past month, 63% from lows of all the way to 300. And it continues this move on up in the past month, about a $200 gain, which gives it about a 66% return or so. And then on the 1 year chart, 2,116% from lows here last year at around $23. So that's about almost almost a 20x, about a 20x actually opportunity that we saw here just in the past year. So 2,000% have been made here on Binance Coin for anybody that bought in last year, or honestly any time here pretty much before November or so. But even if you bought here in January at $41, you would have made a 10 bagger. So you would have made 1,000% return just by buying in January. So in a year, 1,000%. That is insane to think about, obviously. Hitting highs here of $690 in May. And then obviously with the market pullback, we hit lows of about $250 or so. Consolidated there for 2 months with the rest of the crypto. And then obviously now we're seeing this, upward trend. As crypto is getting more popular, meme stocks are getting a little bit more popular. You guys have been seeing GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and all these other, stocks as well starting to trend on higher. And NFT stocks as well, TKAT and many others. I believe Dolphin is one of them. Dolphin, I believe DLPN might be the ticker symbol. If correct me if I'm wrong. Everything is kind of starting to get that trend back, but a lot of money is getting back into meme stocks, and crypto is kind of falling behind, which is not something that I like to see. I'd rather us continue this crypto trend on higher and get away from those meme stocks. There's already enough money in the stock world compared to the crypto world. So market cap right now on Binance, 86.1 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 3.5 billion. So Bitcoin is about 10x volume compared to Binance. Binance Coin, if you're not familiar, is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in the Binance Coin on the exchange and receive a discount. So you get a discount just by using BNB, which is definitely something that I'm a supporter of. If they give you discounts or different deals, definitely something that I like to see from these exchanges. So BNB, definitely our third altcoin to be watching for the rest of 2021 and further on after that. So what is the rest of the market doing? Well, let's take a look. So Bitcoin, like we said, trading flat. We hit lows here on Wednesday at around, Tuesday into Wednesday at around 47,000, hitting highs back up at around 49,000 here Wednesday night. And then as Wednesday night continued to go here into Thursday morning, we're seeing it back to around 48,000. This is a huge resistance that we continue to talk about. If we can break through this resistance and break through that 50,000 area, this one could continue to go higher. Bitcoin could continue to move on higher and higher, which is definitely going to be a hard spot right here. We might consolidate for a few weeks. You never know what's going to happen. I would not be surprised if that is what is going to happen. It might take a week or two, but we'll break through it hopefully eventually. 918.6 billion market cap, and then volume, like we said, around 32.5 billion. In the past week, Bitcoin's up 7%, but as you can see here on August 20th, we hit that high, and pretty much for the past 6 or 7 days, we've been trading around this level, going up and down slowly. So we're trading sideways. In the past month, up 35%, and then on the 1-year chart, obviously it's up about 317% with the highs of about almost 65,000 here in April, and we would definitely love to see those prices back again in the near future. Ethereum, pretty much same pattern, down about 1%, hitting highs here about 3,200, and now we're back to where we started. Market cap 369.8 billion. In the past week, up about 4.5%. Once again, August 19th, we saw the high here, and we continue to go sideways ever since then. So about a 7-day sideways trend right now in the crypto space. So a lot of people are kind of, getting away, getting a little bit bored. But if you look here on the 1-month chart, Ethereum actually has been trading in this channel for over 3 weeks, about 3 weeks or so, in this 3,000, 3,100 area. We've been trading sideways on Ethereum for about a month almost. So Ethereum is lagging behind a little bit compared to Bitcoin, but that is obviously okay. We might be consolidating, and then we'll rocket on higher and shoot on up. We might see a big squeeze right there and continue to push on higher, potentially breaking, new all-time highs by the end of 2021. That's the goal. So that is what Ethereum is doing. Pretty similar pattern, but more consolidation compared to Bitcoin. Now, Doge is down about 2.8%, guys. It's trading at 28 cents. Same pattern as the other coins. In the past week, it's down 7%. So as everything else is trading sideways, Doge is actually making a little bit of a downtrend right now. In the past month, it's still up 42.6%, which is okay. In the past year, 8,400% obviously, from lows of 16 cents. Now we hit highs up here of about 34 cents or so in August. So 100% profit was made right there for any investors that got in at the low and sold towards the top, or even right now, you would still be up about 80 to 90% or so on your investment. Market cap 37.9 billion. How is Doge going to perform? Obviously, whatever Ethereum and Bitcoin do, that's the same pattern as these mid cap and low cap coins tend to follow as well. So as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum stay higher, it seems like everything else will stay higher. And then if Bitcoin and Ethereum take a breather, everything else is going to take a breather, other than some of the outliers that we're seeing in the market, obviously, that continue to even go higher or continue to go lower no matter what happens in the market. So that's definitely something we're going to be watching and keeping a close eye out on for the rest of 2021, guys. Now, you guys let me know, what cryptos are you going to be watching in the rest of the year? Leave a comment below, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so all of this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing into the crypto world or the stock world, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand the high risk, high reward situation in investing. See you tomorrow.